Hello guys, this is Evangelist Kaisar Ijaz from Pakistan. Pakistani people are praying for all the world. I know that this is a devastating situation nowadays because of the COVID-19 or coronavirus. Everyone is trying to survive this, and I believe on that Jesus is going to help us in this and support us in this to how to overcome on COVID-19 or coronavirus. I have one verse for you, and I'm going to share with you because I have learned something about it, and God put into my heart to share with you all that everyone can feel the blessings that what I receive and they should have to receive. The topic is guard your heart. Let's read from the Bible, Proverbs chapter 4 and verse 23rd. It is written in the Bible, guard your heart above all else, for it is the source of life. When most people think about their hearts, they think one of two things. The first is the stereotypical Valentine's Day heart that represent love and all things romantic. And the second one is they think of your actual heart, which looks really gross and pumps hard. While it may be important to protect these hearts, Solomon, the main writer of the Proverbs, is not talking about either one of them in the verse. He is referring to your actual heart. The translation Sean says that your heart is the source of life. In the NIV version, it says that everything you do flows through it. In both versions, it says that what you put in your heart is what you are going to get out of it. Many of us choose to fill it with sin and ungodly things of the world. The verse says you need to protect it from those things and instead fill it with the things directly from God. One great defense God has given us in the Bible. If we fill ourselves with scripture, we will be prepared for every situation and our heart will be properly guarded. Another thing that I find interesting about this verse is what it says, above all else. Solomon was the wisest man in the world, and Proverbs is considered to be a book people go to when it need of wisdom or advice. It's like in class when the teacher says if you only get one thing out of it, at least one answer right on the test above all else. He wanted us to know that we need to protect our hearts no matter what happens. Unfortunately, we cannot hope to guard it properly ourselves. So, my challenge to you is to ask God to guard it for you and be your protection. Only God can protect our guard, and He has the power to guard it. Please be safe and be blessed, and guard guard your heart above all else. Okay, God bless you. Bye bye.